Happy Sunday. Pampabata. Pork sinigang. Hocks. Pork hocks. So tender. Sarap-sarap na yun. Ang lambot ng ano? Ang lambot ng pork. Tapos yung empanada pa.
Malambot?
Sarap. Tingin. Pork siya. Tapos siya. Happy Sunday. Happy ano ba? Solemnity of Trinity. So good night. Thank you very much. I love you so much.